Megan.
I'm Brian.
And welcome to our channel, Screaming Pugs. Okay, so today we are making brownies, I think.
That's what you said.
Yeah, it's not like traditional brownies, like, you know, the ones, it's basically cake brownies. This is a South African thing we do. It's essentially chocolate fudge with like biscuits in it.
Yeah, it's pretty much more
but we
fudge.
call it brownies. So it's chocolate fudge with biscuits. It's your title, you know.
But it's delicious and easy.
Yeah, so. Very easy. So we're gonna show you, like, shortest video ever.
So you'll need some icing sugar, Marie biscuits, butter, cocoa powder, a random egg, and also your vanilla essence.
I love like the random egg.
Okay, so here's our biscuits. It's a Marie biscuits. It's the cheapest biscuits we can find. You normally call it vanilla biscuits, but any of those biscuits will work, I'm sure.
First step is to crush everything, but we're lazy when it comes to the crushing because it takes like 10 years and we don't have a cake roller and stuff like that. So we're gonna pop it in here and just put it on the blender for a couple of seconds until everything is fine enough. You don't want it to be dust, you just want like tiny chunks basically.
1 hour later.
Okay.
So this is the crumbs we'll be using.
Yeah, you can make them smaller, but like this is generally the size we're going for. But yeah, if you want to make everything powder, like go for it and tell us how it tastes because we've never done it like that before. This is the standard. Okay, so the next step and everything after that's pretty simple. So we're just gonna add like 250 grams of butter to a pot and let it melt. So speeding things up a little bit. Okay, so our butter is melted. The next step would be to throw in your icing or powdered sugar. This is the one we're using. It's 500 grams, so it's this entire container. They recommend removing it from the heat, you know, putting it a little bit cooler. So I'm just turning off the stove and letting it simmer on its own heat. So here we go. I think that's everything. And now you just have to stir it until all the clumps are out and it's a little bit smoother than this, obviously. Okay guys, so it's winter here. It's been raining the entire day. Like my hair is just frizz. But yeah, it's so cold outside we can't really turn off the heat because the moment we do everything like goes solid. So I'm just gonna do the next step and we hope for the best. You need to add half a cup of cocoa, so there we go. I think that's half a cup, let's see. You just like taste some cocoa. No one told him like cocoa tastes like crap. With salt in it. His favorite to try and make early mornings. Okay, so gonna have Brian assist me here. So can you take over here and just keep on mixing and mixing and then,
So this is where the mix is gonna start.
Do it viciously. Okay, let's move this in so you guys can actually see everything. Just gonna add some, and you have to like do it ferociously now, it's gonna dry. So you're gonna add some vanilla essence. I think that's 1 tablespoon. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, you gotta do it. There we go. Vanilla essence to mix. Okay, so this is the tough part. You really don't have to burn anything now.
Okay, what do I need to do?
I'm gonna add an egg.
Okay.
Do you want to add the egg?
Add the egg. Go for it.
And you have to just keep on stirring like viciously. But otherwise we're gonna have cooked egg inside.
Okay, go.
Okay.
Success.
Okay.
It's a little bit.
Then we're adding all the cookies. Mix it again.
It's a little bit that fell out.
Yeah, it's not like a video if we don't mess everywhere. So the smoke you see on camera perhaps is completely from the stove burning and not the food. Don't worry.
Oops.
People like, just look at this. There's stuff everywhere. Move your hand.
My bad.
Look, there's stuff everywhere. This is how Brian cooks. Okay, so the next step, guys, Okay, so gonna take a tray. You can use like some sort of non-stick spray, but we're just using like normal, I forgot what you call this, wax paper. And you just add all of it in there. Okay, and then you just kind of have to even it out. I can't. Doing a brine again. Yeah, you just even this out on the tray. Like I said, it's winter, it's cold, so everything is sitting like super fast, which kind of sucks because we want this to like look perfect for a video. I think we should like start doing soups or something. Something that works for winter.
I'm getting full soup.
Okay, I'm gonna get another spoon. Okay, this is like the weirdest method ever, but I don't have anything bigger. And I kind of just want to get everything as even as possible. But essentially we're gonna like cut this into squares, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, I think that'll do it for now. So we're just gonna let this cool down. Gonna put it in the fridge even. The moment everything's cooled down, we can cut it into slices and then you're done. So we'll be back now.
Okay, so this is our brownies. We took it out of the fridge now. I think it was maybe 20 minutes or half an hour.
Yeah, it depends on how you make it, I guess, and what the temperature is around you. It's not completely cooled down, but it's definitely solid enough to cut into.
So let's get it.
I feel like this is going to be the banana mashing all over again, just like cutting it all over the place.
That's a nice piece.
Oh yes. He's like showing it to no one in particular.
Here you guys see?
Yeah, this is not focusing. Ah, finally.
Got it.
There it is, guys. Piece of brownie. Okay, taste test time. Okay, time to taste test these things. That's brownie.
Yeah, that's a brownie.
To the chewing. I was at the dentist earlier today. My mouth is so sore. I had like a, what did you call it earlier in English?
We call it verstand in Afrikaans, but
So
I said
it's my wisdom tooth that was pulled.
but I said something like hindsight tooth or something like that.
My hindsight tooth was pulled. So my mouth is sore, but this is making up for it a little bit. So we use butter, but you can use margarine. It's a little bit cheaper to use and a little bit more animal friendly, but butter gives it that extra bit of
Saltiness.
saltiness. Yeah, definitely gonna make these again.
I'll definitely eat it again.
Yeah.
Okay guys, if you liked our video, drop us a comment below what we can make next, any suggestions, and even drop us a like if you liked our video.
What can I do with my gums that are hurting right now? That sucks, guys. It's like I'm chewing the inside of my cheek by accident because it's swollen. Like, I'm over this.
Aww.
And it's been like one day. It's not even one day, it's been like a couple of hours. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this one. We're enjoying it for sure. And yeah, like Brian said, like, let us know what else would you like to see. What do you guys think about these? Like, easy enough, right? Just don't burn it.
And also guys, remember to sub. We see a lot of people watching the videos but not subbing to us.
Yeah, subscribe guys, be
Please.
cool. Yeah, see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.